You know that feeling, right? That pure excitement when you spin up your first virtual server, maybe an EC2 instance. Seeing your project actually come to life on AWS, it's really exciting. But then maybe that little voice creeps in. Hang on.
Yeah.
How much is this actually costing me? And yeah, suddenly that excitement can turn into, well, a bit of dread. Potential bill shock. Okay, let's unpack this.
That bill shock is real.
Today we're doing a deep dive into mastering AWS Cost Management, specifically for those of you just beginning your cloud journey. We're focusing on 3 really essential tools: AWS Budgets, Cost Explorer, and billing alerts.
Absolutely key tools.
Right. And our mission is basically to give you a shortcut, help you understand how these tools let you monitor, manage, and optimize your cloud spending right from the get-go.
And what's really important here is that these services give you crucial visibility and control, too, over your AWS expenses. They make jumping into the cloud, far less daunting, more strategic. Even if you're just dipping your toes in with the AWS free tier, it's still vital.
Strategic. I like that. Because without that visibility.
Exactly. You could easily end up with nasty surprises, like maybe an EC2 instance that's your virtual server just sitting idle, forgotten. Or maybe some S3 storage, your cloud storage buckets just quietly running up charges in the background because they weren't optimized.
Okay, that sounds incredibly useful. Let's start with AWS Budgets. You mentioned that it allows for proactive limits, like setting a $100 a month budget for maybe just EC2 or even your whole account. And you can set up automated actions, too, to prevent overspending. Tell me more about the real power there.
Right. The automated actions are great, like stopping resources. But the true power of budgets, it isn't just about that number, that ceiling. It's really about forcing a proactive financial strategy. It shifts your whole mindset. You move from just reacting to costs after the fact to actually planning your resources before you launch anything.
Okay. So it's more strategic planning.
Precisely. Imagine not just getting an alert, but having the system automatically shut down that dev server you forgot about right when it hits a limit you set. It fundamentally changes the question from, oh no, how much did I spend, to, okay, how much will I spend and how do I make sure I stay within that plan?
Absolutely. So budgets are like the guardrails, setting the boundaries. But okay, beyond just setting limits, how do we dig in and analyze the spending? Maybe even peek into the future a bit.
Yeah, good question. That's where AWS Cost Explorer comes in.
Cost Explorer, got it.
This is really your go-to for digging deep, analyzing, optimizing. It gives you these customizable reports, letting you break down costs by service, by region, or, and this is super useful, by your own custom tags.
Tags, like labels you put on things.
Exactly, like project.webapp or environment.production. So you see exactly what's costing what. Plus, it gives you forecasting up to 12 months ahead.
Wow, 12 months. Imagine the confidence that gives a startup, right? Trying to scale. How does that forecasting really help teams? And what else is hiding in Cost Explorer?
Oh, it's huge. Cost Explorer is basically your cloud financial crystal ball. It's not just a dashboard. It turns all that raw usage data into, well, actionable foresight.
Yeah.
It predicts future spend, but it also highlights weird spikes. Anything unusual helps prevent those future shocks. It even has built-in anomaly detection, so it flags unexpected cost jumps automatically.
Okay, anomaly detection. That sounds useful.
Definitely. And for optimization, it gives you recommendations, like suggesting savings plans. That's a flexible pricing model where you commit to a certain amount of compute usage, say for 1 or 3 years, and in return, you can get incredible savings, like 20 to 70% off.
70%, okay, that's significant.
It really is. And again, using those cost allocation tags consistently is crucial here. You need to label your resources so Cost Explorer can show you who or what is driving the spend.
Right. So it's not just about cutting costs blindly. It's about understanding where the money's going and making smarter choices. It really changes how you think about cloud finance.
Exactly. It's a fundamental shift.
Okay. Now, for those moments when you maybe just need a quick heads up, a simple alert. There's billing alerts, right? Configured through CloudWatch.
Yep, CloudWatch billing alerts. They're perfect for simple, real-time monitoring of your total spend. Think of it like just getting a quick ping if your overall bill suddenly hits, say, $50 when you weren't expecting it.
Seems straightforward, but are there common traps? Or how do you make sure those simple alerts are actually, effective?
They are deceptively simple, which is good. They're your first line of defense, a very common trap, honestly. Just forgetting to check the notification settings, seriously. You might set up the alert perfectly, but then realize the email address is wrong. Or the SNS topic, that's the simple notification service for messages, isn't actually sending the alert anywhere you'll see it.
Okay. So setting it up isn't enough. You have to make sure it reaches you.
Precisely. I remember hearing about a developer left a test server running for a whole month. Huge bill. A simple working billing alert could have caught that on day 1 or 2. Gives you that immediate, wait, something's not right signal.
Okay, that makes sense. So, bringing these three together budgets, Cost Explorer, billing alerts, for beginners listening, what are some clear, actionable first steps they can take?
Good question. Keep it simple to start. First, definitely set up a basic CloudWatch billing alert for your total estimated charges. Maybe just $20 a month to begin with, just to test it. Second, activate Cost Explorer right away, like now. Remember, it takes about 24 hours to start collecting data, so the sooner the better.
Right, get that data flowing.
Then, set some basic budgets. Maybe one for your overall AWS spend, say $50 total, and perhaps another for any service you expect to use a lot, like EC2 if you're running servers. And always, always use cost allocation tags consistently, like project.webapp. Label your stuff, and critically, make sure you activate those tags in the billing console.
Activate the tags, okay.
Yep. And finally, double-check, triple-check your notification settings, email, SNS, whatever you use. Make sure those alerts will actually reach you.
Great summary. So for you listening, the combined power is this. AWS Budgets gives you that proactive financial strategy, the ceilings, the automated actions. Cost Explorer provides the deep analysis, the forecasting, optimization tips like savings plans, and that anomaly detection. And billing alerts offer that simple, real-time vigilance to prevent those sudden shocks.
That's it in a nutshell.
So here's something to think about. What does this all really mean for you? How might proactively managing your cloud spend right from day one? How might that fundamentally change how you approach your cloud projects? Moving maybe beyond just the technical design to embedding financial strategy right from the start.
It's a powerful shift.
Definitely something to chew on. If you want step-by-step guides, definitely explore the AWS billing console itself or check out the official AWS documentation. It's really time to get confident managing those AWS costs.